As part of his commitment towards ensuring quality and accessible healthcare services to the people, former Governor Umar Bago has inspected level 2 primary healthcare centers in Garatu and Kataeregi communities in Niger State. The level 2 primary healthcare centers is part of the 16 earlier constructed primary healthcare across the state by the Bago-led administration. Zakari Musa Lambata has this story.
Niger State government is to provide ambulance, create accident and emergency units, increase manpower and staff accommodation at Garatu and Kataeregi level 2 primary healthcare centers in Boso and Kacha local government respectively. The former governor Muhammad Umar Bago made the promise when he separately inspected the healthcare centers and interacted with staff of the facility and some stakeholders of the community. The former governor noted that the two healthcare centers are situated along highway. Therefore, it's important to provide them with necessary equipment for optimal service delivery. He also directed his Deputy Chief of Staff, Sadiq Yusuf, and the Council Chairman of Boso Local Government, Usman Laka, to immediately ensure construction of drainage around the Garatu Level 2 primary healthcare centers to control water from flooding into the facility.
Some of our dreams are coming to fruition. You understand that the people in the rural areas deserve better health care facility. And as we said, Niger State is leading in the healthcare service delivery, especially the primary healthcare service delivery. So this is one of the facilities where I built the type 2 PHC we built in Garatu. It's under Bosa local government. And the people are excited, and you can see their women and their youth and even the medical workers. And we have seen their challenges. We are just trying to finish the dualization of the Minabida Road, and this section of the road has been completed, and they're also excited about it. So we thank God for everything. There are no big challenges as usual. They want some of their children to be employed, so we have going to give some of their children scholarship to go and read nursing and midwifery in our state-owned university. I'm also going to be able to employ some of them into this system so that they can work here. Then we are going to deploy doctors from Mina on call to come here and so that they can have resident doctors here to attend to their issues. On the other issue of the drainage, as I rightly mentioned, the road is under construction, but I've given a marching order to the council chairman and the deputy chief of staff to make sure they start this work so that it can be completed in the next 5 days.
In their separate remarks, the chairman of the World Development Committee, Mohammed Isha Kudoma, and the officer in charge of the Garatu Level 2 Primary Healthcare Center, Kuluwa Malam, appreciate the former governor for the construction of the facility, saying it has added value to the community. They highlight some of their demand to include drainage system and ambulance and more personnel, among others.
The coming of the former governor Bago, we really appreciate his visit. This is what we call unsurprised visit. A bit surprise visit, because we didn't expect him today. We were expecting him since the beginning of this year. We couldn't see him, so we are no more expecting him. But unfortunately, this afternoon we just had a call that he's coming to our facility. We really appreciate his coming. Formerly, we were having a small facility before, so this demolition of the road affect our clinic. So we are later moved to primary school, where we are only given one classroom. So we are managing the classroom, but with the coming of Bago, this level 2, we now build a big facility to us in Garatu PSC.
The Commissioner for Health, Dr. Murtala Bagana, expressed excitement over the governor's inspection of the healthcare centers, pointing out that it will encourage the staff and the people as well as making them accountable. From Garatu, I am Zakari Musa Lambata, reporting for NSTV News.
This is Niger State Television, the power station.